we made it to another national park. It is 103 degrees today. Claire took a crash. Her arm's all bloody. Claire and Chris's breakfast. Woohoo! Hey vlog, we are in North Dakota. We came in to North Dakota on this gravel road. Rolling out. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Adventures with Annie. Currently we are in Jordan, Montana. Today we are going to be biking to Miles City, Montana. It's going to be a really good day. As you can see, it is beautiful and sunny. Miles City, 83, that's where we're going. Okay, I just lost my rack. Oh, these just came loose right here.
Just gotta tighten those up.
Is it broken?
No, we need a wrench. We need a wrench. John Mark.
So I made these protein balls last night, and now they are all melted into one big piece of deliciousness.
Super sweaty down there.
You have a bunch of sunscreen on your nose.
Great.
Chris is gonna go explore that dune thing. I'll go join. Hi, puppy. Woo! We are at, what is this reserve called? Seeking Owl? No. Soaking Eagle? Spotted Eagle Reserve in Montana. Look at this puppy. Hey, little buddy. Hi, cutie. This is us on a nice off day. We're wearing sundresses, sun hats, going through town. We're in Miles City, Montana. It's a beautiful 90 degrees, super, super, super hot. We just got back from the beach. I got my swimming suit hanging on my bike. We're headed to Walmart to do our grocery shopping for the week. And life is good. Up the hill and because it's gravel. Wow. It is 103 degrees today. We are, I don't know, we're holding up pretty well actually. We're not melting yet. We started biking at 6 a.m. this morning. And we saw the most beautiful sunrise. It was awesome. Right now we're at a ranch. There's John, Mark, and Ellen. Claire and Chris are down there. Right now we're at a ranch. Asking for water because we only have less left. Claire took a crash. Her arm's all bloody.
I brought some road with me.
Oh, she did bring some road with her. Oh, poor girl. Elle, how are you feeling on this fine day for the vlog? Woo!
Feeling great. I'm being pushed by the wind.
Yeah.
Go to a national park.
Which one?
Theodore Roosevelt National Park. See some badlands. Super exciting.
It's easy. Oh, John Mark's in my. Oh. Whoa.
Yeah, you're doing a 10 minutes.
Yes. Yes, we went to an abandoned house yesterday.
Did you pick him off the body?
No! John Mark found sunglasses. Woo! We made it to another national park. Good job, crew. Hi! Hi! What do you have to say, Chris? Put your arms up or something. Ah! Woo! Christopher is indulging his face in a Oreo Rice Krispie treat. John Mark is. Oh,
I'm like in the.
I woke him up.
I'm like, but I'm so aware.
You're just resting your eyes. Roosevelt National Park. Here you are in North Dakota on June 16th, 2021. About 7 p.m. Life is good. Today was good. Here's to more miles and smiles and memories. All right, Claire, what we got here?
I snapped my rack in my car.
Oh, and the crash.
Well, probably.
Oh yeah, Claire took a crash like 2 days ago, and it looks like her rack broke.
Well, that makes sense.
Well, we have to fix it. So here we are in the middle of North Dakota, fixing a rack with a hose clamp.
Hey.
Hey.
Just happy it's not my bike this time.
Yep, not Ellen's bike this time.
Hallelujah.
That is the world's largest fiberglass cow up there on the mountain. We're in New Salem, North Dakota, and we're on our way to the cow. It's absolutely massive. John Mark. Yesterday we were at a park and we met these two awesome people named Howard and Christina, and they ended up giving us money to go out for breakfast this morning. They were like, I want you to go to this breakfast place. It's by the world's largest cow. And the cow is on the top of a mountain over here. And it was just so thoughtful of them. We're just so thankful, and now we're full and we had an amazing breakfast. So thank you to all the people who are amazing. This is the world's largest Holstein fiberglass cow. Ta-da! It is right there. It is very large, absolutely humongous. And we ate at that cafe that is just down there. We looked at the cow, and Harold and Christina were just like, yeah, like this is what you want to eat. And everybody was so nice, and we're just really thankful. Headed to Bismarck, North Dakota, across the Missouri River. This is the North Dakota Capitol. It's Bismarck, and this is the tallest building in North Dakota. Frankly, it's not very tall. I mean, we could see it from very far away, but it's not the tallest building I've seen. But it's kind of cool that this is the tallest one in the state.
Dakota at the center. And surprisingly, that's 6 feet in diameter.
Wow.
It doesn't look nearly that big, does it? So a little trivia about our seal. And then if you look up at the ceiling, the lighting ceiling panel is called the Sunrise. And kind of thinking about 1930 technology here above the building.
Hey everybody!
Literally like
We are. Chris is climbing.
Is L
I'm eating a granola bar at the capital of North Dakota.
part of our
It is, wow, windy, sunny, so salty. I can't even open my eyes. Wow, this video is just
They
amazing.
haven't.
We took a tour through the Capitol in our bike clothes, and we look so cute. Wow. It is so windy. We have 3.5 miles until the bike shop. I would not want to jump off of it. Even though I've jumped out of a plane. But Claire! Bike shop and then Wally World, and then we're headed to Elle's boyfriend's house for the night and for rest day tomorrow. Bam! I'm so excited. We're getting eggs, garlic bread, and lasagna because we have an oven to cook. It's gonna be awesome. Rest day. Got some mac and cheese and some sunscreen and a dozen eggs. In mine, I have. Ellen, do you have anything in your shirt?
I got some cinnamon rolls too.
Some cinnamon rolls. This is how we go. We're going 6 miles and we're just plugged in some groceries. Do you have groceries in your shirt? No? Well, the eggs are safe.